Hello everyone, welcome to my workbench. Here today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Triton Detail Sander. I wasn't able to find any reviews, overviews, unboxing, anything on this sander, so I ordered it a while ago from Woodcraft. It finally came in, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing. So it comes in this box here. It's my first time opening it actually. Comes with a nice carrying case. I'm not sure I'll use it much, but nice little extra. All right, pulling out the sander. So this is a nice form factor, actually a little bigger than I thought it might be. There we go, there's the dust port. That's a little interesting of a design too, but hopefully it's useful. This is a random orbiting sander, which is nice. I think it's a little different than the average palm sander, and also smaller for getting into little nooks and crannies. Let's see if it came with any sandpaper. It did not, but oh, here we go. It did. It came with some mesh style sandpaper, which is kind of nice. Cool. I'm gonna have to find a port that will connect with this for my dust collection. There, it looks like variable speed. All right, stay tuned for my full review coming up.